Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? So big news. I have been invited to speak at a real estate meetup next Monday. So a week from today from 5 to 6 p.m. Pacific. I made sure to ask the, I don't know, owner, leader of the meetup if I could invite my entire audience. And they said yes. In addition to that, this is going to be a meetup that is 100% based on your questions. Again, it's important for me to capture questions and answer them. We are working as real estate investors in very interesting times. So it is always nice to get up-to-date questions, up-to-date answers, and really understand what we are going on. So let me bring up the presentation or the PowerPoint with the announcement. I will put the link to the meetup below, and we have two ways you can seed questions. So I will bring that up in a minute. Let me just bring it up. So first and foremost, again, it is next Monday. So a week from today from 5 to 6. It is being hosted by the Home Helpers Group. First thing, I've known Dean Rogers for several years now. He's actually been on my channel, and little known fact, he was a fullback for the San Diego Chargers one time. So yeah, you could ask him about being a lead blocker and how that felt smashing into these gargantuan individuals. It's always a fun conversation to talk with an NFL athlete. But we are going to answer all of your questions. So Dean asked if you could email him, dean@homehelpersgroup.com. It's right there on the bottom of the screen. You could also leave your questions and comments right on this video. I will go ahead and ask Dean to check it out. I will check it out to make sure we are there for you. If you are a part of or you run a real estate meetup anywhere in the country, frankly, anywhere in the world, please, please, please reach out to me. I would love to do more of these. We are in the end of 2020. This is the time for new investors to get their sea legs. I believe with what we see going on right now or envision shortly, 2021 could be an interesting time. So you've got to learn your market. You've got to understand what's going on. And it doesn't hurt to be able to ask someone who has 20 years experience, hundreds of units, thousands of tenants, what they're thinking. I'm still active in the business. I look every day, just like I teach. And, 2020 hasn't been what I expected, not hitting any of our real estate goals, but we are having a good time and doing the right thing. So I'm excited about 2021. My hope is we get hundreds of folks that follow this channel. I've asked you in the past if you would want to join a real estate meetup during the week, if you'd like to do it after hours. And many of you said yes. So here is your first chance. And again, if you're part of a meetup in a different part of the country or a different part of the world, let's do this again. I think doing live Q&A is important. If you want to reach out, you can leave a comment below. You can DM me on Instagram. Let's set it up. And Dean, thank you very much for reaching out. I appreciate it. I look forward to answering and helping as many people as we can next week. Again, no PowerPoint. This was something that was important to me and important to Dean. This is 100% just questions and answers. So on Saturdays, we talk every Saturday at 8 a.m. This is going to be like that, except Dean will be collecting questions and we'll be organizing them into some fashion. I am looking forward to this. I've been wanting to do more and more real estate meetups as we go forward. Hopefully you look at this and you can reach out to whoever runs your group in the country or the world. And I would love to get up at 2 a.m. or 4 a.m. and talk to the folks in Asia or Europe or wherever it is. Because again, I believe one rental at a time, complement to Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is something that can help lots of people regardless of where they are. All right, everybody, I will talk to you virtually Monday, the 16th, 5 to 6 p.m. Take care. See you there.